Sorry about that, guys. I had a phone call come through, and I use my phone for for videotaping this. And if you hear clicking noises in the background or rustling noises, those are my dogs. Anyway, so I also purchased the second biggest size of the organic nails, like the common three that probably use, the ultra white, and I'll bring the dampened dish out so you can kind of see the size of that too. So I mean, they're an okay size. They're not like super big or anything, but they're at least bigger than the size I was gonna get, which would probably be the size of their regular little colors, which I'll bring out in a little bit here. Well, I'll just show you right now so you can kind of see the size of them. So here's like a regular size, the like smallest size probably that they'll give you if you order the regular size. Okay, so I got the Honest Pink, and then I also got Crystal Clear. And I should have got a bigger one of these ones because we use the most of that when you're doing nails. Anyway, so yep, I got those. And then I also got their Glam and Glit nail design, and this is actually the same size as these ones, so and it's not even that expensive. So I got this color because it's called Cindy and it's in my name, so I just had to get it, and they have like colors that match a bunch of different names. It's an orange color, so let's show you that. And later on I'll go and put the colors like on top of the lid so I know what the colors are. And then I got this brown color because I don't have any brown, and this one is called Martha 346. Yeah, 346. And so I just need some brown, so I'll show you what that looks like as well. So it's a nice chocolate brown. Oops, I hope I didn't spill any. But anyway, let's go to the next one. I also got their sponges. I wanted to try their sponges, so I'll take one out just so I can see how it feels versus the regular from Sally's that I use. This is 100 and 180 grit, so one side is rougher than the other side. Well, the 180 is not as rough as the 100 grit. No, wait. Sorry, this is not 100 and 180. This is 180, 180. So it's not even what I thought it was. Let me bring out my file that I use. This file I got from online, and it was just multiple different things when I ordered from a seller that was in China or Japan or somewhere across seas. And you know, you get the it was like a starter kit because I'm not a professional, so I didn't know how to really do nails, and I didn't want to buy expensive things in the beginning when I started, because if you can start with the crappy stuff and be good at it, then you'll be even better with the better consistency stuff. So I also bought a couple of these from Sally's, and these are the 100, I don't know if you can see that, 100 and 180 grit. So one side is smoother than the other, okay? This one is, I'm guessing, 180 on both sides. No, wait. Nope, this is probably 180, 100 grit too. So, it doesn't really say, but you can kind of feel the difference. So, I'll move that aside. And I also purchased, I'll have to move this because it's kind of big, purchased this 500 count nail tips, and they're all clear. And I just needed a bunch of clear tips because I use them the most when I'm not sculpting, especially because I'm still slow because I'm still new at this. So when I do my friends' nails and stuff, it takes me a little bit longer, so this will help speed up the process instead of sculpting the nails and stuff. So it comes in this big plastic container, all for $13, 500 count nail tips. And I'll take them out so you can kind of, I can tell you if they're like flimsy or not, which it doesn't really matter, but you know, a lot of people like to know the quality of the nails. So, oh yep, they're pretty thick. I would say, because I got these nail tips from Sally's as well, and I had to mark it myself because I wanted to know what numbers they are, because I know the numbers of my fingers already. So these ones are actually thicker than these, but these don't feel like super flimsy though, so they're okay. They'll work basically. You're gonna put acrylic over them anyway, so it'll make them nice and hard, so they don't chip or anything. I don't need to put it back there. Alright, so move that out of the way. And the thing that I was most excited about was these aquarium tip nails. So these are nails that have a little insert or a little opening in them so that you can put in some liquid that I also had to purchase too. And so this was $6, and then I think the set together is like $12. So it's not expensive at all for these awesome nails. So the aquarium nails are like for nails that you can see inside and they'll move and stuff, kind of like those globes, those like Christmas globes with the snow in it and stuff. So I'm excited to try them out, and of course I'll post it on my channel as well, so you guys can see. If you want me to like videotape it while I'm doing it, then you can like leave a comment and I'll do that as well. So what else did I get? Okay, I got their capping because I saw on I think her name is Vianney, because my daughter's name is Viana, so but hers ends with an E, Vianney. So I saw on her, and that's why I chose to buy organic nails. And besides, I have organic on I subscribe to their channel too, so I like watching them do their nails too. So this is why I purchased it, mostly because I see her what she ordered, and I don't know, I just like what she showed me. Anyway, this is the line eliminator, and sometimes when you're doing your nails, you can't file it all out, although I try my hardest, and this will like free up some time because it'll eliminate those lines that you have on there. So I'll have to try this out. I haven't tried it out, but I've heard on Chantel, she uses the NSI product, and she has a line eliminator too, so I was interested in that, so I got one from Organic Nails. I also have some NSI too that I bought on a tangent. Here we go. I bought their sampler kit, and I was very pleased with the outcome of it when I tried it out. I'll just show you a difference here. I was just kind of messing around just so I could see the consistency, so I wasn't trying to do it all perfect or whatever. I just wanted to see how fast I can do it and how nice it came out. So here is a nail from ASP, and everybody probably knows ASP from Sally's, and it's okay, you know, it's obviously not perfect, but I'll probably be using the ASP for mixing my my glitters and stuff with that I like to use, because it's not as expensive and I really don't want to waste the organic stuff on mixing. So there's the ASP sample. Oh, I'll just leave it out so you can see it. And here is the NSI attraction. See how like more perfect that is? It's way better. It's not as thick. It's like made a perfect C curve. Well, I mean perfect with the time frame that I had anyway. I literally did this in like a couple seconds. So this one did take longer to harden over so that I couldn't file it, but I'm pretty sure if you put it on one nail and then go to the next nails, then you can come back and file it. So, but it leaves you a lot of time to work with it, which is really nice. This one not so much because it hardened right away, so you can kind of see like all the defects of what I did. So moving back to what I ordered, I got their nail liquid, and I'm going to bring out the dampen dish again. This is the second, maybe 60 millimeter. I think it's the second biggest size. I'm pretty sure it is, because I tried to get the second biggest size of almost everything. So it's not a lot. Obviously, there's way more liquid in the other like product that I bought from Nailite.